Evolution of media policy in India. Indian media policy have evolved significantly since independence, with the government focus on the balancing freedom of the press, promoting national development, ensuring social responsibility, and maintaining control over the media during the critical period. From a period of the strong state control in the post-independence year to the more liberalized approach, Indian media policy have adapted as changing political, social, and technological context. Early media policy, 1947 to 1960, state control and national integration. In the immediate post-independence era, the media was primarily focused on national building, social reform, and unify a diverse country. The government recognized the power of media as a tool of national integration, public education, and dissemination of policy. Key policy and measure: the Press and Registration Book Act 1867. Despite its colonial origin, this act continued to be forced post-independent, requiring publisher to register newspaper and ensure accurate circulating figure. And next is the Indian Broadcasting Service, IBS, 1936. This was renamed All India Radio after independence, become the only broadcast in India until the 1990. The government control airwaves with the focus of education, national unity, and development communication. Formation of Press Information Bureau, PIB, 1956. Aim at managing government communication with the press, disseminating news from the government to public. First Press Commission, 1952 to 1954, recommended the establishment of the Press Council of India in 1966, stressing self-regulation and ethical journalism to preserve press freedom. The period of regulation and control, 1970 to 1980, emergency and censorship. The emergency, 1975 to 1977. The imposition of internal emergency, 1975 to 1977, by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi lead. The censorship of the press media was heavily restricted and strict news blackout was enforced during this period. The government exercised direct control over media content, banning or editing critical news report. The Press Council of India was dissolved during the period due to the government's suspicion of the media role in opposition politics. Post-emergency policy, 1977 to 1980. After the emergency, media policy emphasizes restoring press freedom, but with the caution regarding media potential to destabilize a political system. The Second Press Commission, 1978 to 1982, advocated to the greater press freedom while recognizing the necessity of self-regulation and ethical journalism practice. The government continued to regulate broadcasting through Doordarshan, which remained as a state-owned entity, ensuring control over televisionized content. Next page number 34. Liberalization and media expansion, 19 to 2000. The liberalization era, 1991 to 2000. Economic liberalization in early 90 brought about significant change in Indian media landscape. The new economic policy, 1991, which opened up the Indian economy to the foreign investment, also affected the media industry. The introduction of private television channel and the FM radio station marked the beginning of the new era in media, significantly transforming the broadcasting landscape. Cable Television Network Regulating Act 1995. The law allowed for the expansion of cable network and private TV channel, breaking the state monopoly on television broadcasting channel like GTV, Star TV, MTV. India emerged leading and vibrant media ecosystem. Key media policy in this period: Cable Television Network Regulation Act 1995, regulating cable TV and sought to ensure that the cable channel adhere to Indian value and legal standard. Broadcasting Policy of 1997. This policy laid down groundwork for private broadcaster entry into the television space, reducing government control over content while also imposing certain restrictions. The Internet and the Digital Media 2000 present. The Digital Revolution. The proliferation of the Internet and the growth of digital platforms like social media, YouTube, news apps reshaped media consumption, making news more immediate and interactive. Media company transits to digital first strategy with the news television station and the managing launching online edition to app reach wide audience. Challenging and opportunity. Regulation of digital media. The government had grappled with the changing the regulation digital media platforms, especially social media, are related to data privacy, online censorship, and the fake news have been area of significant policy focus. The Information Technology Reasonable Restriction Rule 2021. This rule aimed at regulating social media platform, digital outlets, and OTT service. They introduced stringent rule of content moderation, accountability, and transparency, but have been criticized for the potential limit free speech and free press freedom. Cyber security law. The Personal Data Protection Bill and increasing concern about the digital privacy lead to stronger government scrutiny and digital platform. Major Media Policy and Act Post 2000. The Prasar Bharati Act 1990. Prasar Bharati, India's public service broadcaster, was established by Act of Parliament with the aim of ensuring autonomy of Doordarshan and All India Radio, providing a balance between state control and editorial independence. The Cable Television Network Regulation Amendment Act 2000. This act redefined cable TV regulation, focus on content distribution and transmission. The Press and Registration of Book Act 1955. Revised periodically the update policy around media registration, publication, and press freedom. National Broadcasting Policy 2001. The National Broadcasting Policy increased the growth of private broadcaster while maintaining state control over news channel and broadcasting content guideline. The Draft Media Policy 2018. This proposed policy aimed to promote a diverse, inclusive, and pluralistic media ecosystem, ensure the media content respect diversity while upholding democratic value. Critical perspective of media policy in India. Lack of comprehensive regulatory framework. While India has a multiple regulation for television, print media, and digital media, there is no unified comprehensive policy governing all forms of media. Political influence on media. Media policy often come under the scrutiny of political bias as a political party use media as a tool of propaganda, influencing both traditional and digital media content, challenging the regulating social media and fake news. The rapid spread of misinformation, particularly during the election, raises concern over the lack of clear enforceable policy that balancing the regulation and freedom of expression. Censorship of media ownership. Despite regulation, media ownership of India remains concrete in the hand of few powerful business conglomerates, which raise concern over the diversity of the viewpoint, editorial independence, and the commercialization of news. Future direction and reform in India policy. There is a growing demand of clear and structured regulatory framework for digital media, addressing issues such as misinformation, data privacy, online censorship, and content modernization. Strengthening media ethical and standard, promoting ethical journalism and self-regulation through the framework like the Press Council of India, empowering media organization to uphold integrity and credibility, enhancing public service broadcasting, focusing on expanding and empowering public broadcasters like Doordarshan and ARI to serve as the unbiased informative platform, ensuring they remain independent and free from the political influence. Summary of key media policy in India. 1955 Press Regulation Act of the Book Act. इसका की फीचर क्या था? गवर्न द रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रिंट मीडिया. 1955 में आया प्रेस एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बुक एक्ट. इसका मेन की फीचर था जो गवर्न ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रिंट मीडिया. फिर 1995 केबल टेलीविजन नेटवर्क एक्ट, रेगुलेट केबल टीवी एंड इंश्योर कंटेंट स्टैंडर्ड. फिर 1997 ब्रॉडकास्टिंग पॉलिसी, ओपन टीवी टू प्राइवेट ब्रॉडकास्टर वाई रेगुलेटिंग कंटेंट. फिर 2000 में आया प्रसार भारती एक्ट, स्टैब्लिश पब्लिक सर्विस ब्रॉडकास्टर दूरदर्शन एंड ARI. फिर 2021 में इंफॉर्मेशन रूल्स रेगुलेटिंग डिजिटल मीडिया एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड OTT प्लेटफॉर्म. The revolution of media policy in India reflects the country's attempt to balance freedom, press freedom, media responsibility, and state control. While significantly progressive has been made, especially in liberalizing media and addressing digital challenge, the government regulator role continue to evolve with the need of reform of digital media regulation, press freedom, and media diversity. The future of media policy must be adapted and technological change ensure a fair, transparent, and ethical media landscape. That is the end of this part.